Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Steve Putnwork, Steve Vet, with another video, and today's video is on how are we going to fix a dry beard. Now, recently I did make a video on how to grow your beard in 30 days, but a lot of y'all having issues why you're having an itchy, dry beard. I got the ultimate guide to fix that. All right, let's get to the video. Rule number one, I'm gonna tell y'all this: it's to drink what? Water. You have to drink water. Why? Because water is going to open you up. It's going to clear your skin. It's going to refreshen your skin. It's going to refresh your body. Get rid of all the juices. Get rid of all the sugars. Stop drinking alcohol. Stop drinking beer. Get rid of that, guys. Like, I know you want to have a good time, and I know for the fact that you go out with your friends, your peoples, whoever. Stop drinking beer. Stop drinking alcohol. Water is the number one thing. Get out of that bad habit of drinking all the bad stuff and start drinking water, man. Hopefully y'all can read my handwriting. Start drinking water. Number two, I'm gonna let y'all know why your beard is so ashy. I'm gonna let you know why your beard is so flaky. I'm gonna let you know why your beard is so brittle. It's because of the stuff that you use on your face when you're washing your face, your skin treatment, the stuff that you use, the soap, everything that you use on your face. You're using it on your face, but guys, you forget to use your beard. Your beard is part of your face, right? Like, I know I'm not tripping. It is part of your face. Don't forget to not just get on your skin, but don't forget to get into that beard. Make sure you massage, use that soap, use it, lavender it up. I'm trying to tell you, that's the only way you're going to stop it from being dry. Okay, don't forget to get into that beard. Another thing that you may feel like why your beard is so dry is because a lot of you guys don't even think about it that, hey, hello, I have hair on my face. I have hair on my face. Well, if you have hair on your head, and some of these guys are bald, you're gonna have hair on your face too. So if you got hair on your head and hair on your face, don't forget to go ahead and make sure you shampoo and condition it. Now, I'm gonna turn this around and tell you what it is. It's by Shea Moisture for men, and it's a beard wash, and it's something that I think every man should use. This is something I use, but shampoo and conditioning your beard is something that's gonna stop the flakiness. It's gonna stop the dryness. It's gonna stop you from just having such a itchy beard, man. A lot of these guys just forget it. If you wanna go ahead and make sure that your beard is looking good and healthy and strong, not flaky, not having hair fall out, you gotta wash your beard and condition it. That's like the main thing. Why you think my beard is looking like this? Wait a minute, I got another one for you. You need some type of moisturizer for your beard too as well. So beard balm, beard oil, doesn't matter. You can get any type of brand you want. Like I said, with the shampoo, conditioner, you have to make sure your beard is moisturized at all time, man. Like, it does not matter what you get. Just take the oil and put it inside your beard, rub it in, and make sure it's not too much now, so you won't have oil all over, because oil can get all over on your shirt, everywhere, and it gets all over. But I say use it twice a day, morning and night. Like when you lay down or go to sleep, when it's time for you to go to bed, put the oil on. Why? Because you want that beard to not be ashy. You don't want it to be dry in the morning. So just like how you're doing your body, washing it up, make sure you take care of your hygiene, just like how you're taking care of your hair, just like how you're taking care of your face by cleaning your face, your beard is important, man, because you don't want to walk around with a dry beard. Moisturize your beard. And there's nothing wrong with using beard balm. This is from Shea Moisture for Men. This is something that I use. Also, I use this too. This is from Nappy Styles. But I have so much beard oil, and I use it, and I love it. And I'm telling you guys, use the beard oil. It's going to help you out. Next tip, leave the warm tools alone. The warmth tools, the tools that's going to dry out, like the blow dryer. Air dry your beard, okay? You want to air dry. Do not use any tool that's going to dry your beard out super fast, because it will kill the hairs. It'll kill the root inside. It's going to make your hair dry. Like, you don't want that. You don't want that, man. I'm telling you, don't want that. Next tip, you don't want to sit there and brush and comb too much on your beard. You don't want to sit there and pull the hairs. You don't want to pull all the product that you just put on your beard. You don't want to pull all that off. So you want to go ahead and just style it the best way you can, and that's it. If you feel like it has messed up, because some of us do have long beards and it's been messed up and it's been matted down, go ahead, then go comb it out. But don't be sitting there combing all day. Don't sit there and brush all day. Let it be natural. Comb that one time and you should be fine. Don't do that too much. Hey, I got something for you. Make sure you take some fish oil pills, okay? Take fish oil pills, omega-3s. If you don't have it, they're cheap. You can go to any local store, any Walmart, any Target, any place like that, and go grab some fish oil pills. They're great to use, I'm telling you. Woo, let me take this off. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know, due to this pandemic and we're wearing this mask, a lot of our beards do dry out due to this mask. Whatever type of mask that you are using, it does dry out. So if you are using a mask, just make sure that your beard is oiled down. Now, they do have masks out there for beards and your face, so that way it won't take it out. I suggest like maybe like a silk mask, which I'm looking to get into soon. But I'm telling you guys, you wanna make sure that your beard is not dry. This is gonna help you out. I'm telling you guys, it's because something like this helped me out. I thought about it, I'm like, dang, why is my beard so itchy? Why do I always have an itchy beard? Why is it flaking? And which it sounds nasty, you know, but every single guy goes through this. And it's just because you're not knowing what's going on throughout the day on why your beard is so itchy and flaky. Because these are the things that you are not doing by focusing on yourself, by focusing on shampoo and conditioning, oiling your beard down, combing it, brushing it, styling it. These are the things that you guys need to make sure that you are doing, and drinking water too, so that way you won't have an ashy and flaky beard. Hopefully y'all like this video. Hopefully y'all watch my previous videos, and I'm just here to help you out because my channel is about men's fashion, men's style, and men's grooming, and I'm just here to help you out so you won't have a flaky, ashy beard. So I'm always gonna come back with more videos. It's your boy Steve, Putnwork Steve, and I'll see you soon for the next video. Peace.
Shawty put in work.